Check mo na yung mga gamit ha, baka may naiwan dyan, birth certificate, NSO, PhilHealth. Yeah, malayo pa naman tong Eden Cell. Okay, welcome back everyone. We are now going to resume our tour. So by the way po, this place used to be called Amphitheater po. Pero ngayon pwede pa rin kayo dito garden wedding, Binang Victoria's 18th birthday photo shoot. Pwede kayo dito. Kayo, taga saan po kayo ma'am?
Pangasinan.
Ay, Pangasinan. Wow, ang layo ng now passing through our rainbow path where each are the flowers that correspond to a particular rainbow color. Elemental plant. Diyan galing yung mga flowers natin sa stopover po. So, open pa tayo for enrollment ha? Charis lang. Oh. Sir, baka gusto mong pa-enroll, sir? Sa nursery. Oh. Makain. Alternate po yan sa mga bunga. Pag maraming bunga last year, possible ngayon, konti na po yung bunga niya. Bakit? Meron tayong bentang lupa dyan. Baka gusto yung magbili. Okay, let's say pero per stocks po yan. Right? Our Matinloop Falls. Yes. Part of our mountain trail. Nawasa po yun. Diyan galing sir. Ako din po yung nag-ano sir. Nag-i-gift. Grabe kami dito sir. Nang-ano kami dito sir. Multitasking. Yes. So by the way po yung nakikita nyo yung daan sa mga gilid. That is part of our mountain trail. So meron kaming mountain trail. Before used to be a log over area where most of its primary forest gone. So wala po talaga itong mga punong before. So ang Eden Resort po is 95% man-made forest. Pero parang may lalabas na sa kasama niyo. Okay ka pa dyan sa likod, sir? Okay ka? Parang lalabas na kasi sa sir. Sabi niya, sir, pwede ba kung lumipa dito ngayon?
Yung Ayala Malls, sila din may-ari ng Ayala na to?
Hindi na.
Iba yung Ayala?
Iba na. So from Davao lang.
Okay.
And to your left side po is our Philippine bamboo. Nakikita niyo po sa puno na sir ng mga white spot. That is called a white lichen. So good sign po yan kasi pag maraming ganyan, that means kasi sir, thousands po yan, thousands. Yeah. Okay, so we are near to our next stop, Tinubdan. And this side is to food or source of water or wellspring. So this village, it is a cultural village. They are portraying a Bagobo. What? Bagobo. Yay! Ay, wala pala. Yes, bye!
Bye! Salamat!
So actually po yung mga dances natin, weekends and holidays lang po yan sila dito.
Native po ba talaga sila? Medyo iba yung features ng mukha nila eh.
Meron po yan sa kanila po pero third gen na po siya. May halo na po. Okay, welcome back everyone. Again, that is our Tinubdan Village. It was opened in the year of 2008. After 2 years of planning and coordination with a local architect, Lumads, artists, and anthropologists, it is a work and a progress. And by the way po, if you want to try our mountain trail or malakad-lakad sa resort, for your awareness lang po, hindi po talaga natin maiiwasan na possible dito, maka-encounter kayo ng mga wild animals. So, huwag tumingin sa katabi. Alis lang. Like snakes, bayawak, and bok choy, and the Japanese beef noodle. Maliit pa sa tatshay. Already your camera, video. Kita natin dito yung ating overlooking view ng Davao City.
Wow!
Yes, in your far left side. Davao City, Davao.
Wow!
Yes, and Samal Island, where our sister resort, Ana Marina and Island Buena Vista are located. So brochures for this resort are available at the front office. And to your right, our organic herbs garden. So we have naman basil, basil, rosemary, mint, and so on and so forth. Sayang lamang kasi yung so on namin ng so on ng picture mo. So forth na naiiwan ng wing. We also have restroom. And we have here the yellow dragon fruit or yellow pitahaya on your left side. Yes, yellow po yan. Wala din bunga. Walang bunga po. Na-harvest po kasi namin agad pag may hinog na po. And we are now to our last stop, the Lola's Garden. We have here our local plants, famous fishing wells. But don't worry, sa likod ng
Wow,
fishing well,
ganda. Oh, ganda.
Ha, pwede pa rin yan siya. Oh, careful with the go down. Parang kulang. Pero may lumikas. Okay. Yes. Okay, welcome back everyone. Again, that is our last stop, the Lola's Garden. So we are now heading back to our day tour center. Happy!
Hooray!
Magaling talaga mga totoo magrupo mo, sir ba? Okay, at your right, our Thai Lodge, one of our family cottages. It has 2 rooms and 1 basement. It also fully furnished dining facilities. You can bring your food and cook there also. And on your left side, our log cabin, one of our large family cottages. Can accommodate 10 to 12 people. Ang likod niyan, may annex tayo, can accommodate 2 to 3 people. Yeah, so yan po, it's also fully furnished dining facilities. So you can bring your food po and cook there also. Yung nakikita niyo pong daan sa baba, yan po yung daan natin sa mountain trail. It will take 2 to 3 hours po.
Oh.
Yeah, papunta sa bahay. And to your lower right, our small hanging bridge, part of our mountain. Huwag kayong matakot, matibay naman yan man, basta wala dumadaan man. Matibay yan. Charot lang. Matibay yan, sir. Huwag ka nag-test lang, sir. Mountain. Marami talaga po, lalo ng pag-holidays and bare months. Yes. Merong mga taga-ibang bansa din. Kahapon po, maraming mga taga-ibang bansa. Mga Korean, ganyan. Sabi nila, anyong haseyo, ganyan. Dear, seyo. Pale, pale. Pag Japan na, arigato lang kami lagi na, arigato. Yes. Wala lang ano ma'am. Yeah. Yung December, marami kami ganito. Actually, pag weekends, 5 shuttle po kami. Ganito. Yes. Pag weekdays, 3 po kami shuttle. Unless kung may big group na mga katulad sa ganito po. Meron pa kayong ride sa labas po ha. Hindi kayo mag-ride din po ha. Okay ma'am, sir, we are about to end to our tour. Naka-time-lapse yung tour nyo, no? Nasulit man kaya. Yeah, so thank you so much for coming here in Eden.